So if I'm kneeling on my left knee, my right knee is forward, I'm going to be pressing with my left wrist, my left arm. I said wrist because I'm thinking of my watch. It's on my wrist. Okay, so take your watch off. We're gonna go press on the opposite shoulder than the foot that is planted. The important thing is you note that the weight should be forward in this glute. So your right glute and your left shoulder work together. You wanna feel as though you're just about to go stand up from your kneeling position when you go to press. Okay, so all of my weight is forward in my glute when I go to do that press. All right, so we're gonna exhale it up and exhale it down. We're gonna breathe at the top and we're gonna breathe at the bottom. This opposite arm, we're gonna press it straight out, okay? The press of the right shoulder blade is opposite the hinge on your left leg. So this is the hinge position. So your hamstring is activated with this press. This glute is activated with this press, okay? This one's weighted. Press, press, press. This back position feels like I'm pressing my weight forward and then hinging back. So it's a press, 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 press. All those things press at the same time. So all of my limbs need to be a part of this equation.